I have a question for you. Have you ever met someone who has the ability to walk into the room and you just feel them? Their presence is palpable. Their charisma is infectious. Like bees to a honeypot, people are just naturally attracted to them. These skills will help you every single day with every person you come into contact with. Now, the next thing you may ask, or the next thing you may say is, well, some people are actually born with it. Some people have those innate skills. Well, nothing could be further from the truth. These people have learned these skills, whether they've learned it from their parents, whether they've learned it from watching celebrities or presidents, or they've attended trainings in it. These skills are learned. Social sway and charisma is learned. Here are a couple of skills you will learn in the course. Strategic understanding of body language and how to read what people are thinking and feeling. Entering into a room and making your presence felt. The basics to neurolinguistics programming and how to subconsciously demonstrate similarities to others. You will learn how to become more memorable. You will learn the qualities of presence and charisma, joining groups of people at social and networking events, becoming a master networker, walking, standing, and sitting with poise, presence, grace. You will learn about dining etiquette, business entertaining, and a whole host of other topics. This course is the most extensive training you can attend in assisting you to grow yourself and improve not only yourself, but all those people around you. So this really offers you the start of a journey to move freely between every social and business situation you find yourself in. And remember, the greatest investment you can make is in yourself. It not only improves your life, but the life of all those people around you.